Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgi here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is March 16th. Allendale's acreage survey was released today. So we released our numbers today at 7:30 this morning. Interesting, though, looking for a increase for corn acres, 2.4 million acre increase for corn. Looking for a slight decline as far as bean acres. And then looking for total wheat, looking for that to only be down 2.8 million acres. The early estimates for wheat were looking at closer to 3.8 million acres lower. So we'll see. So maybe a little bit better, a little more wheat acres than thought, and certainly more corn acres. But with beans, looking for that to stay right near this 82.57 million acres. Still a big number as far as acreage, though, on beans, but we'll see. We kind of thought earlier this year that we were going to see more bean acres than what was expected, but as of right now, and from the survey that we got from you guys out there in the country, that has not been the case. So we'll see what that does as we get closer to this acreage report at the end of the month. But today, guys are going to be watching the FOMC meeting. So the Fed is meeting. They're going to release their minutes. They're not expected to raise any rates today. So we're not concerned for that. But what guys will be paying attention to is some of the rhetoric and some of the talk of just the verbiage that's used on when they're going to look at raising rates again. So we'll see. And that comes out, that's released near 1 o'clock today Central Time. Also, an energy report out at 9:30. We will see crude oil stocks again. The estimate right now is to see a build of about 2.75 million barrels again this week. But we do have crude oil right now screaming higher, more than $1 higher at this time. So we'll keep an eye on that crude oil here as well. Stock market, very quiet, probably going to remain that way as we get closer to this 1 o'clock time frame. A lot of guys will be on edge as the Fed comes out and releases their minutes. Livestock, back and forth. We're going to continue to see that right now until we see what trade's going to look like. We've got that April contract for cattle sitting near that 140 level, and we're seeing that chop around here today. Cash is going to be king. Certainly watch that this week on, are we going to see steady trade? Will we see that back off? Or can we see cash cattle continue to surge higher? And that'll be the question. Box beef, strong again, remaining strong overall, and that may keep this cash market on edge and keep that firmed up as well. Hogs, we're down right now about 40 to 50 cents for April. We are finding that pullback. We're near that $70 area for April. We keep fighting around that, but a close below that may see some further weakness here as we go and finish out this week. As I mentioned, stock market relatively quiet. Crude oil up $1 to $1.10 right now. The dollar itself up 34 cents, finding a little bit of strength after the recent pullback that we've seen. Give us a call if you guys have any questions at all. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or online at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.